LinkedIn creator mode. Should you make the switch to that or you shouldn't? Hello friends, it's Sarfo Carbell once again, your personal branding guide. The big question is, should you switch your account to a creator account or you should keep it as it is? First of all, what is creator mode? Creator mode on LinkedIn is designed to help you put your content out there better and also help you engage with your audience much more efficiently. The one way you can know somebody has creator mode on is that if you look at their profile, let me use mine. I think I'll use mine because I have my creator mode on. If you look at their profile like so, you can see, you get a chance to see that the person has followers there as well as the connections there. Anytime you see this, then it means the person has turned creator mode on. It's designed specifically to help you put content out there better and also understand your audience and communicate with them much better as compared to just the ordinary account setup. But the question is whether you should actually turn creator mode on and when you should turn creator mode on. That is why I'm here to help you. When you turn creator mode on, your profile gets a new, a much fresher look, and also it gives you certain tools that you wouldn't have gotten just to help you make content much better. One of the upsides of creator mode is that you are much more likely to show up in search results when people are looking for things because they see you as somebody who is probably answering questions or solving problems. So your visibility perks are much better compared to somebody who is not on the creator mode. With creator mode turned on for you too, you could design your profile to highlight your expertise and things that you want to be known for or the solutions that you actually do provide. So that when people just land on your page, you can actually create for them a very strong first impression because you can actually design your profile showing your featured list and then putting things that will actually make a very good first impression and people will actually land on your page. Now the main question, should you switch to creator mode? I have two takes on this. The first take is that, are you somebody who is actively putting out content there and trying to grow his or her personal brand? The second question is that, how many connections do you currently have? If you're somebody who is committed to creating content and putting content out there consistently so that you can grow your personal brand, I would say you should turn creator mode on. But you should wait till you try and get at least minimum, 1,000 followers, because it doesn't really look good when you have somebody comes to your page and sees, 500 followers. It doesn't look great, but it will look good if you had 500 plus connections. That makes it look like you have lots of connections, right? So I would say you wait till you are around 1,000 connection counts, then you can turn creator mode on so that it looks as if it will be, I think, 1,000 plus followers and then 500 plus connections, and that is great. That is if you are somebody who is committed to putting out content there consistently. I keep saying that because if you're not really trying to grow your personal brand, you're not trying to put yourself out there and be of help to people, I don't recommend you turning creator mode on because then what is the use? You're not really trying to take advantage of your audience. But if you are somebody out there trying to grow your personal brand and trying to put out their content consistently, maybe on a weekly basis or bi-weekly basis, whatever basis that is going to be working for you, I would say turn creator mode on. And I would advise that if you could wait till you get at least 1,000 follower counts, that'll be a perfect one for you. Let me know if you are going to turn on creator mode for yourself, meaning you're going to be putting content out there consistently, whether it's reposting, resharing, or putting original content from yourself out there. Please give it a try. Turn creator mode on, have a feel of it, and then come let me know how it went for you. And without much ado, guys, I'm going to catch you in the very next video. Peace.